Today I am going to discussing about the order of stability of carbocations. Actually, the order of stability of carbocations is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary, means tertiary is more stable than compared with secondary than compared with primary due to the presence of steric hindrance on tertiary carbocations. Here, the correct order of stability of the carbocations is one of the CSIR bit asked in June 2015. This find the order of stability of carbocations. Here all these are tertiary. How to find the stability of carbocation is the question. This is the tertiary. This is the tertiary. This is the tertiary. But how to find stability means we considered 5 factors. That is, one is aromaticity, second one is hyperconjugation, third one is electron density. If all the carbocations are tertiary, we take into consider these 5 characters, that is aromaticity, hyperconjugation, electron density, resonance and inductive effect. Here count the hyperconjugated structures. Here carbocation is present. Here the carbon attached to 3 hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogens. Here 2 hydrogens are present. Total 8 hyperconjugated structures are present in here. In these 6 hyperconjugated structures, here also same CH3. Total 6 hyperconjugated structures or no bond resonance structures are present. So more hyperconjugated structures are more stable than compared with less hyperconjugated structures according to priority. But here 8 hyperconjugated structures are present, but it is not stable because we take into consider the resonance and other characters, electron density, such as here aromaticity is not there because all are acyclic compounds. Next take into consider the resonance. Here there is no resonance, hence this is least stable. Here I will write to C. Then here pi electrons are delocalized, hence resonance takes place. Here oxygen consists of 2 lone pairs. One lone pair undergoes delocalization. Here 6 hyperconjugated structures, here 6 hyperconjugated structures, here delocalization takes place, here delocalization takes place, but which is more stable we find. Here pi electrons, here sp2 carbon, here sp carbon. According to sp2 carbon, S character is 33.3%. More electronegativity means less electron density. Less electron density means it is less resonance then compared with sp. This is sp3 character. Here sp3 lone pairs are readily delocalized than compared with sp2 pi electrons. Hence B is least stable than compared with C. The order is C B. So order of stability is C greater than E, B greater than A. I will explain once again, listen carefully. Here tertiary carbon, all are tertiary carbon. We take consider these 5 characters. First we consider the number of hyperconjugated structures. Here 8 hyperconjugated structure, here 6 hyperconjugated structure, here 6 hyperconjugated structures. This is least stable because no resonance. I can write this. Next, consider these two. Here 6 6 both are same. Next, delocalization we will consider. Delocalization means here lone pair of electrons will move delocalize. Here pi electrons readily to move delocalize, but here lone pair of electrons are more stable than compared with the sp2 pi bond attached electrons. These electrons are not readily delocalized than compared with this. This is the stability order 3 greater than B greater than A. That's why find the stability of carbocations. Another question is the correct order of stability of carbocation. Here we consider the bridge. This is the bridge. This is the bridged carbon. Here bridged consists of only one carbon. This is the bridge. Here bridge consists of 2 carbons. This is the bridge. Bridge consists of 3 carbons. Number of carbons. Here the stability of carbocations based on number of bridged structures. Here only one bridged carbon, here 2 bridged carbons, here 3 bridged carbons are present. Number of carbons on bridging increases, the planarity increases, flexibility increases, at the same time stability is also increases. Means here a third structure consists of more bridged carbon, means 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. This is the order. These two are simple tricks. Whether it consists of tertiary carbon, we find this. It consists of only tertiary. Find the stability of carbocation such a way. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.